Hi guys, today we are going to learn about network basics. So, why we need network basics? In the cybersecurity field, those who are want to learn ethical hacking, or those who want to be a cybersecurity analyst, or those who want to be a network specialist, network administrator, or network security administrator, so must they network specialist means they must have the CCNA certificate or some other certificates. But those who want to be a cybersecurity field, they must know the networks. What is network? How it works? They just know that how the network will work. What are the network flow? The network packets will flow, will come. What is the OSI layer? And these are the things will be covered here. Today, this part is going to be two parts. This is the part one, network basics. So here I will cover some basic parts. Then next I will cover some basic parts, because for the cybersecurity experts they need some knowledge about the networking. That's why I created this video. So please be conscious. Please be interested on the networks. Please don't think that why we need networks. We need network basics because when you are going to the real-time environment, there is a network is established for the company. You have to understand what is a router and what is a switch, and how the cable is connecting, what is a RJ45 cable and how is connected, how many routers are there, is there any manageable router, it is not a manageable router, is there any switch is there, is it a manageable switch or is it a normal switch. These are the different things we should know, and we should know many things in the networks. So the cybersecurity experts must know the networking concepts. So let's start our class. Network basics. First, we'll go through the normal introduction. What is network? Network is connected to the systems with each other. That is called the network. Means a network is a group of two or more computer systems or other devices that are linked together to exchange data. In networks, computing devices exchange data with each other using data links between nodes. These data links are established with the help of cable, media such as wires, or wireless media such as Wi-Fi. See, the overall meaning is the network means the connected devices which is wired or wireless, and the data will be transferred each other. It is called the network. So this is about the network. And what net there there are network components are there. First we want to learn what are the components and functions are there. See, in the network points, in the network we use servers, we use devices, we use hub, we use switch, we use router, we use bridge, we use access point. So these are the things we use. Other than this, we use more so many things. But these are the things that regularly we found in the organization. They will maintain the database. Database means they will maintain the server. For the server, they will maintain the device. Device means some other device like computers. These are things. Hub means it's an old thing. Before the switch, yeah, the hub is working there. Now hub is we are not working, but we should have the knowledge on the hub. That's why I kept the hub point here. And the switch is the point where it connects, and router, from the router, from the switch the data go to the router, from the router the data goes to the firewall, and then it will go to the outside. These are the things. And after bridge, what is a bridge, how it would connect the each LAN, and access point, what is access point. These are things is every organization they maintain these devices you found in the organization. Let's see what are the, briefly we will see what is server. Server is nothing but a computer or a device, in the network that manage network resource. Server are often dedicated. It means server are also often dedicated, means they do what the actions they have to do, that thing only they will do. They none other than that, they it will not do anything. Meaning that they perform no other task besides their server. Task like accepts and response to the request made by the another program known as client. The server is a simple thing in the organization. They will maintain the server, the database center. In that there will be a server. There will be in the server we should install some softwares and we should run that software. The server is mainly uh, the purpose of server is installing to run the some some software in the server with some configurations which is compatible with that server, the software, sorry. So this is a thing we need for the server. Next we'll go to the device. What is device? See, device is nothing but there may be a printer, computer, and the switch, hub, laptop. These are the devices. So let's see, computer devices such as CD-ROM, drive, or printer, that is not part of the essential computer. Example of the device includes disk drive, printers, or modems. These are all the devices we use in the real-time environment. If you want to connect anything, we should connect with the our computer should connect with the switch, and then it will go to the router, then it will go to the firewall. Then these are the devices which we use in the network side. So let's go to the next point, is hub. What is hub? Hub is I told that hub in 2000s, 98, 90, 99, in that period hub is very useful because that time there is no switch is available. That time hub is available. Hub have 8 ports only. In that 8 ports it will connect to the 8 systems. For the another 8 systems, if there is maintaining the 100 systems in the organization, for each 8 systems one hub. So let's count how many hubs we need. So this is a problem with the hub. So hub is a network hardware device for the connecting multiple devices and making them act as a single network segment. A hub works as a physical layer of the OSI model, Open System Interconnection Model. Means we'll see the open system interconnection model, which is very important for the cybersecurity uh, uh, professionals, because they should know how the packet will travel from the each layer, how the packet will travel from each layer to layer, and how the destination and source will connect. This will connect in this part is very important for the cybersecurity experts. They should know. And the hub is have the another disadvantage is hub will not store uh, any data in the hub, because whatever the data is one system is sending, it will send to the all other systems. The hub, all other connected 8 systems, it will send to the request, which is the match system, which is the source system. The destination system should receive, and all other packets will be dropped in the all other systems. This is one disadvantage in the hub. In the switch, it is not like that. Switch have some configuration. The switch will store. First time it will send all other. The next time it will find that which IP is there and which IP system is where it will store, and then what is the source and what is the destination. The packet will go directly to that system only. It will not send to the all other systems. This means the data, and this means the bandwidth of the internet and the speed of the system will be increased in the switch. So next goes to the we completed hub, and next we will go to the switch. Switch is nothing but it is a device that filter and forward packets between LAN segments. I already told just now, it will filter packets to the LAN segments, which operates the data link layer, and sometimes the network layer is of a OSI, means open system interconnection reference model. It means switch is the latest model. In switch there is a 24 port switch and 48 port switch, and there is a manageable switch, and there is a unmanageable switch, and there is a basic model switch, and there is a Cisco switch, and a D-Link, Netgear. There are so many types of switches are available. The switch, what is do means it will take the packets and send to the concerned system. If it is there any firewall, it will send directly to that system. So it is about the switch. Next we are going to see about router. Router is nothing but it is a gateway. It means router is a final gateway for every organization. There may be a 2 or 3 routers, but for the each each class of IPs, there may be a range of IPs, there may be a 2 or 3 routers, but all routers will connect at the one major router, which is called gateway. So router is a device that capable of forwarding data packets on a network. Router are placed at the junction is called gateway of two or more networks connects. It means two or more routers and it will connect to the one, means two network means two range of IPs or two separate networks. There is a office A and office B. Both are in the different LAN, but both are have separate routers. But they both will connect at the one place. Is in the one place is called gateway. So there are two or more networks connects. Router use headers and forwarding tables to determine the best path of forwarding the packet. Router stores some data of the each system about the in the form of tables, and it will know the which packet should go to the which system. This is about router. Next, go to the bridge. Bridge means nothing but it will connect. It will connect the two or three networks. Means router. What router do? Router do here is a router act as a filtering the packet and sending. But bridge, what is within the LAN? Bridge will be in a different, within the LAN there may be a class A IP is using and class B IP is using different places. Means there are two ranges of IPs are using. For office one is using first floor so one range, and office 2 in the second floor is using some other range. In between them there may be a bridge, so the entire network should be in the uh, one LAN only. Like bridge is a computer network device that connects the local area network to another local area network that uses the same protocol. So there should not be any problem. They should feel like that they are in the same network, but the class of IPs are different, but that they are same in the same network. Next, access point. Access point is which is a very big organization, very big company, or very big shopping mall or cinema mall or some other companies. They will use these access points because a hardware device or a computer software that act as a communicating hub for users to connect all their wireless devices, because there is a one major one switch is there, and from the switch the access point should go to the wire, and their access point will be connected there. From there it will act like a Wi-Fi. From another wire go to the another area. They will maintain from 100 or 200 meters distance. The another access point will be fixed. That is in the same network. That like that every this is a very big area. They will maintain 50 to 20 access points, but the every point will run through the same firewall what is installed in the organization. But the Wi-Fi is for access points is different, but the every Wi-Fi points are same in the network. So next, types of networks. Local area network is here comes the types of network. Just see, local area network, metropolitan area network, MAN or wide area network, wireless local area network, virtual private network, personal area network. Means local area network means LAN. It's simple. Local area network means LAN, which is in the organization is called a LAN. MAN means metropolitan area network. Let's see what are the in brief what is what. So this is about local area network. Local area network is nothing but that connects computers and devices in limited geographical area such as home, school, office, buildings. These are the local area network which is connected internal or organization, internal office or internal of shopping malls or internal uh, companies is called local area network. And the wide area network. What is wide area network? Wide area network means uh, the a it means a computer network that covers a large geographical area such as city, country, spans, even international, intercontinental distance. A WAN communication channel that combines many types of media such as telephones, lines, internet cables, optical fibers, etc. It means one country to one country when we are talking, when we are using the system through the internet is called WAN. It's a large area network is called WAN. Next, we will go to the metropolitan area network. Where is the network of metro local area network, wide area network, and wireless area network? Where is the metropolitan area network? Okay, let's see. Wireless local area network. Wireless local area network is nothing but it's a wireless connections where connected to the this it means the access points we have provided. Through that the connection will be connected, and then they will work through that connection. But if they are in the same network, within the network they are in the same network. That is called wireless local area network. Wireless local area network provides wireless network communication over short distance using radio or infrared signals, and instead of the traditional network cabling, we liner built attaching devices called access points and edge and wire network. Client communication between AP using the wireless network adapter, similar function to traditional Ethernet adapter. Means if there is a Wi-Fi is running, but in the company you connected to that Wi-Fi, it means you are in the same network. So without the wire, you connected the Wi-Fi and you are doing the work. But within the distance, you can send any packet, you can share any folder in the LAN without the net cable. So this is called wireless local area network. So next come to virtual private network. This is the complicated one. Now most of the organizations use virtual private network. Virtual private network is nothing but it is a public network, but it is very secure network. It has the encryption, authentication, and integrity through the public network. So this is called the virtual private network. It means one organization in some place, one organization in one organization in America, another organization in Australia. These two are the branch organizations. One organization in Colombia, the main office. So how they will connect? They should connect through the securely. They want to be encryption between the data transfer. They want to be a secure. They want to be authentication. This thing will be happen through the VPN tunnel. This is called tunnel layer. So when this organization, Australia and US organization or Colombia organizations have the firewalls, through the firewalls they install some applications. Through that applications, it will decrypt or encrypt the data when this channel is running, sending or using the any data transferring between two companies or two organizations. This is the secure layer. Here the VPN mechanism of is employing is the encryption, authentication, integrity, protection, so that we can use a public network. If it is a private network, means we use public network as a private network. It's a virtual private network, not purely private network. It's a virtual private network. It allows users to remotely access a private network. So it simulates private network as a public network. So this VPN have the two types. It means there may be there is a two types. It's called TP is one method, and L2TP is one method. This PPTP means point-to-point tunneling protocol. It is called PPTP, point-to-point tunneling protocol, and L2TP is the latest and upgradation of the PPTP. It means layer to tunneling protocol. L2TP is layer to tunneling protocol. It is a upgradation of PPTP. So here these two protocols they use in the organizations, and they run this tunnel in different ways. This is called virtual private network areas. They run through some applications. They run some softwares through this channel. This is called virtual private network. Next, we are going to personal area network. Personal area network means I am using the 3 computers and 1 router and 1 switch. These are my personal, and this is My Wi-Fi is connected to the my systems and my TV and my four-wheeler. So these are the connected. These are my personal area network, which is covered within the 10 meters area. This is about personal area. Next, we are going to, and we missed the concept of metropolitan city area network. Metropolitan city area network means it is within the range of 100 kilometers. It is called the metropolitan. After land, we have metropolitan, man, then WAN. This is the sequence: LAN, MAN, and WAN. So LAN within the organization, MAN means within the city, means it will be 10 kilometers to 100 kilometers. Man have so much disadvantages because one organization in the distance of 60 kilometers, one organization in the distance of 80 kilometers, and uh, they both have to use the uh, cabling for the use of metropolitan area network. For that, they need to cable each organization through the cable, and these are the things. And there will be no safety while doing the cabling, and this is a lot of uh, it means you will get some problems while transferring the data, and the cabling cost is very high. This is the things, that's why the man is not that much usable nowadays. Everybody is using the VPN networks. By through that, they are running the secure level applications. So that is about the man is nothing but two or three organization runs within the 100 kilometers range. They will cover the cabling and they will use. This is not nowadays. It is not working. Before VPN, it is used to work, but now it is not working. So, guys, thank you for watching this video. Please share and subscribe. What I have learned and what I have want to share you for the for I have learned so much of time I have taken to learn these things, but I am sharing this within the short period of time, because you don't need to waste your time for going here and there. What I learned, I am clearly explaining you. If you have any doubts, please comment me in the comment box. I will reply every comment as soon as possible. But please support me, and please watch the next video, which we will cover the types of classes of IP addresses, what are the classes are there, and OSA model layer, and the TCP, UDP, ICMP, and these different types of concepts we are going to cover in the part 2 in the network basics. So this is the series of the ethical hacking course. So please follow and please subscribe my channel. Thank you for